just mixing together my meatloaf. I've shared this recipe before on my channel. I'm cooking dinner for my dad today. My sister's out of town. She cooks most of the time for him. Me and her, I mean, we share, but she does most of the home cooked meals. He don't like a lot of the things that I fix. I'm eating a healthier diet. He likes grub, as I call it. But anyway, I like to use my meatloaf fixings, the Hunts for meatloaf. And it's got all the seasonings in there. I just add 2 eggs, some oatmeal, salt, pepper, and some crackers. But you can put bread. You could use breadcrumbs, or you could crumble up some bread. And I'm going to put mine on a baking sheet and form it in a loaf. I don't really care for the way the loaf pan does. I like crispy edges on my meatloaf. Meatloaf is one of my favorite meals. I think because my mom made it when we were growing up. She did a lot of country cooking. She didn't do like a lot of casseroles or anything, but meatloaf is one of the things that she made that we all really liked. Or I know my sisters and I did. I don't know if all my brothers did or not. I will make a glaze for the top, but I wanted to get the rest of that out of there. I'll make a glaze with ketchup and brown sugar and a little bit of mustard. And I've got my Swerve brown sugar, so I'll be adding that. Hold on, let me wash my hands and I'll show you what else. I'm going to heat my oven to 400 and put it in there for an hour. I love these miniature sweet peas and carrots, and I think peas and carrots always go with the meatloaf, so I'm going to mix those together. I've also got 2 cans of this white shoe peg corn I'm going to open up and mix together. And then I've got a bag of these little petite yellow potatoes, and I'm going to fix them in my Instant Pot and mash them. And then my mom always made these brown and serve rolls, and I'm going to make those with it in the oven. I know that's a lot of carbs, but I'm cooking for my dad, and this is the stuff that he likes. So that's why I'm making it. So it's a comfort thing, I think, for us all, to be honest. But that's what we're having for dinner. I just wanted to show you all, and I'll try to remember to video a plate at the end, okay? Okay, guys, I just got my meatloaf out of the oven. Look how pretty that is. I love a pretty meatloaf, and I think that glaze is going to be delicious. I did check the internal temperature. We'll check it again. I checked it before I added my glaze. It needs to be at least 165, and it's more than that, so that's perfectly fine. And our corn's done. Our peas and carrots is done. I'm just keeping them on low. I just put our rolls in the oven, and I'm getting ready to mash our potatoes in my Instant Pot. I'm going to drain them and mash them, and then I'll leave them in there so they'll stay hot. So dinner will be ready when everyone gets home from work and Amelia gets home from school, and we're going to eat dinner and take Daddy a plate. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Thank you for our blessings. See you in the next one. Bye. Okay, here's my daddy's plate. Meatloaf, mashed potatoes, peas, carrots, kernel corn, and 2 hot rolls, and for dessert, a strawberry tart. Don't that look delicious? And it definitely has the special ingredient in it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would invite you to do that as well. Thank you for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.